If you've been selling real estate over the past 30 days, you've seen a drastic difference to what's happening in the local real estate market. We're not seeing as many offers as there used to be. Zillow just released an article showing that there's more price reductions than we've ever seen. I don't have to tell you, if somebody's reducing their price, they didn't get 30 offers, they didn't get 5 offers, they got no offers. There's a drastic change to the real estate market. Obviously, interest rates are going up. They are starting to roll out the adjustable rate mortgages again. All of this is starting to become a problem. And as a real estate agent, it's actually an opportunity for you to tune into those changes that are happening in today's market. So what I'm going to be doing is helping agents. Many of you know I coach realtors all over the United States. I'm going to be jumping on here for totally free live sessions to show you some of the adjustments you can make so that you can go out there and generate a lot more buyers and sellers. I'm here to help you out. Let me know how I can help you. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information in a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.